Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a Shopify add to cart link. So first off, you'll have to start from the dashboard here and you want to click on the online store section here. Click on it and then you have to go to themes. On themes, click on this to customize. On customize, go to your actual cart section. Now on the cart section here, you'll see this is what it looks like, but this is the wrong address, right? Because this is the address for the cart section while you're on the on the website editor for your admin sites. So how do we actually view our cart? So we have to go on to click on the three buttons here and we have to click on view. Now this is our actual site here. You want to click on the cart again. Now this is the actual link we have, right? So if I copy and paste this to another link, if I paste it here, it'll just redirect me to the same part here. Now, there's also another way we can do this is that we can create a link to automatically add in a product. So when the customer click on it, when they get redirected onto the cart won't be empty and it'll already have a couple of products preloaded in. Now, there is a methodology for this, and it's by using this kind of URL. Basically, HTTPS, your site, cart, at IT, and the variant IT, and also the quantity. So what does all of these mean? Okay, I'm going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to start from here. Now, let's try putting it here, right? I'm gonna put this here. Now, let's replace this one first, right? So what is our site URL? It's this. It's this random bunch of numbers 3y.myshopify.com. So let's just copy this and then let's replace this one, right? Don't forget the double one here, okay? Now, make sure everything is in check again. Don't let it be wrong. Great. After that, now we need to change the variant ID. Now, how do we find the variant ID? Let's go back to the exit. Let's go to products. On products, go to here. You can see you can pick any one of your products. Click on it. Now, this is the ID you need to copy, right? This ID. Copy it. Now, put it here. Variant ID. Highlight it. And then replace it, right? And now the quantity as well. So if you want the quantity to be automatically 3, just change it to be 3. Just change it to be 3 or 4 or 5. And that is your URL ready.